In this video, we're going to learn how to solve a particular type of exponential equations. You are going to be able to rewrite the base as the same number on both sides of the equal sign. Now, this is an exponential equation. They're easy to identify because the exponent contains the variable. And you've got this property. If a is not 1, if you can rewrite the base to be the same on both sides, you can drop the base and solve the existing equation x equal y. You drop the base and set the exponents equal to each other. So here are some steps. Rewrite the base to be the same on both sides. Use this property. Solve for the variable. All right, example 1. This is an exponential equation because the variable's in the exponent. And I want to rewrite 9 and 27 to have the same base. And I hope you're thinking about 3 to some power. 9 is 3 squared raised to the x, and 27 is 3 to the third. Now, the base on the right is 3, but the base here is 3 squared. They're not the same. But what do we learn? When we have a power to a power, what do we do to our exponents? We multiply. So that's 3 to the 2x equals 3 to the third. Our bases are the same. Drop the bases and set the exponents equal to each other. X equals 3/2. Number 2, 125 and 25. We're going to be able to rewrite those with a base of 3. A base of 5. 5 to the third is 125. But you can't lose that negative x. And 25 is 5 squared to the 3x. That's 5 to the negative 3x equal 5 to the 6x. That's negative 3x equal 6x. Add 3x to both sides and you get 0 equals 9x. Divide both sides by 9 and we get x equals 0. Next page. Number 3. Okay, I see that 1/2 and 1/4. I think I'll just rewrite both of them in terms of 1/2. This is 1/2 to the negative x, and 1/4 is 1/2 squared, but that's raised to the x plus 1. So that's 1/2 to the negative x equals 1/2. Multiply the 2 times the x plus 1, that's 2x plus 2. The bases are the same, so drop the base and set the exponents equal to each other. And I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, and I get negative 3x equals 2. X is a negative 2/3 because I divided both sides by 3. Now 3 to the 4th is 81. Did you know that? 3 to the 4th is 81. 3 and 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81, yeah. Okay, now I've got a fraction on the left. Let's rewrite 1/3 as 3 to the negative 1. It's raised to the x equals 3 to the 4th. That's 3 to the negative x equals 3 to the 4th. Drop the base. That's negative x equal 4. X is negative 4.